Hey tech enthusiasts, today I'm diving into something straight out of a sci-fi movie, AI's role in the justice system. Imagine a world where court cases are handled faster and more efficiently thanks to AI. Sounds amazing, right? Well, it's already happening. Let's talk about Estonia's robot judge. This AI-driven system is designed to resolve small claims disputes, cutting down the backlog and speeding up the judicial process. But hold on a second, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. One big concern is bias. AI systems can unintentionally mirror the biases present in their training data. Imagine a system unfairly discriminating against certain groups because of flawed algorithms. Transparency is another issue. How do we ensure these AI decisions are clear and understandable? And what about our rights to appeal? If an AI makes a mistake, who's accountable? Despite these risks, the benefits are hard to ignore. AI can handle routine tasks at lightning speed, reducing the workload for human judges and lawyers. This means more time for complex cases that require human intuition and empathy. But don't worry, we're not replacing human judges anytime soon. Human oversight is crucial to maintain fairness and uphold legal principles. AI should support, not replace, our justice systems. It's all about striking the right balance. At LexiAI, we believe in using AI to enhance efficiency while ensuring human values remain at the core of justice. Imagine a future where AI and humans work together to create a more just society. Exciting times ahead. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, stay curious.